Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
I am Adeline Salgado Domingo, 40 years old. I have one kid, 5 years old. I am Roman Catholic. I'm second eldest of the family. I have one brother and one sister. I am college undergraduate. I took up Bachelor of Science in Business Administration Management Accounting. I have experience in abroad before, in Dubai. I worked 3 years.
No, how many employers you work in abroad?
1 month.
So only in Dubai?
Also in Hong Kong.
So you have 2 employers you work before.
Yes, ma'am.
So first in Dubai.
Yes, ma'am.
How long you work in Dubai?
3 years, ma'am.
3 years. How about in Hong Kong?
2 years and 5 months, ma'am.
2 years and 5 months. In Dubai, how many members of the family did you serve?
3 members of the family, ma'am.
Who are the 3 members?
1 adult and 2 kids.
How old the kids?
6 years old and 8 years old, ma'am.
Okay, so what did you do as a helper in the house?
I do cleaning, ironing, cooking, and washing the clothes. And sometimes I car wash the car.
How many car?
Only 1, ma'am.
Only 1. How often you do car washing?
Once a week.
Once a week, okay. The 6 and 8 years old, do you need to look for them?
Yes, ma'am. I need to prepare for their needs before going to school and assist them when they come back from the school and prepare for their meals.
Okay. So your employer, is it a mom or sir?
It's a sermon.
So he's a single dad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Why you did not finish your contract with them?
Because they migrate to UK, ma'am.
Okay. After working in Dubai, you went to Hong Kong for how long?
2 years and 5 months, ma'am.
How many members of the family here?
3 members of the family, ma'am.
Who are the 3 members?
2 adults and 1 kid, ma'am.
How old the child?
12 years old when I arrived in Hong Kong.
Is it a girl or a boy?
It's a boy, ma'am.
Okay. So what is your duties as their helper?
I do cooking, cleaning, washing the dishes, ironing, washing the clothes, and do some more marketing.
Okay. You cook alone here or you cook with madam?
I cook alone, ma'am.
So you know how to cook Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
What?
Simple.
Simple only. Okay. And you finished your first contract with them, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And then you renew.
Yes, ma'am.
So why you did not finish the last contract?
Yeah, I went home because my mom is sick and no one will look after her.
But your mom is now okay.
Yeah, she's not okay.
And who will look for your child if you're going to Hong Kong?
My brother and my sister, ma'am.
Your family allows you to go abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
You don't have any boyfriend right now or live-in
I
partner?
don't have.
What's the reason you want to work in Hong Kong?
Yeah, I want to go to work in Hong Kong because I want to save money and for the future of my kids and my family.
Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to look for your newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing also to share job with other helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Your day off will not fall on Sunday. You will be given only weekdays off. Is that okay for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, your future employer now is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
Hi, ma'am and sir. If you do hire me, I promise that I will do my job and responsibility. I am hardworking and flexible person. I will take care of your kid as my own. I can cook and easy to learn. I can work under pressure, and I promise I will finish my contract. And thank you and see you soon.
Okay, thank you very much. HL 2298.